I thank you very much. I think they've coped very well with the training. The intensity was very high, and but we've managed to train. And unfortunately, we were supposed to train today and tomorrow before the Sunday match, but I think the Blaster match came in, and so we had to cut. Even today, we changed the style of training. So it's been good. We've been able to, assess the players in a certain way and look at how we can be better in the near future if we have to strengthen the team, new players or whatever. And so we are in the process of doing that, and so it's been okay. It's been good. We hope to continue the following week and see how best we can work on it. I think that if you're a coach and you sign for a team and you wouldn't want to play a tougher opponent in the first place. And so for me, I wouldn't call it unfortunate, but it's also it will be an eye opening for me to see exactly what these boys can do at every given time. Yes, the opponent is way bigger than what I personally expected, but I have taken that in good faith, knowing that whatever comes out of it, I will take it in good faith and accept it and work to improve the team. Like I said, for a coach, no other coach will want to play a tougher opponent. So it's a kind of way, I would say a bit unfortunate, but at the same time, you can look at it in a different angle, where what can they do? What can your players do? Because yes, the opponent is a bigger opponent. If you talk of the likes of Asamoah and the rest, cannot be compared with what our players have achieved. And so it is that kind of situation where you are looking at it, the negativity and the positivity. And so I see more positive in this, because what do we have to lose? We've got nothing to lose. We just have to go there and express ourselves, and express in the sense that what we've been doing in training is what I want to see. I'm not looking forward to win 10-0, 5-0. I'm looking forward to the things we've done. Especially, we've worked a lot on how to work without the ball. When you lose possession, what do you do? And so these are the things we're looking forward to. And of course, that is my focus. Not about how many goals we score, how beautiful we play. I'm looking at when you lose possession, what is the next level of action? And that is what I'll be looking at.